Nope, but we have a sled.
My tomorrow. Can we go to the ski store? Get some skis. This is going to be hard.
Can you stand up?
Can you help me?
Try to stand up. There you go. You got it. There you go. Good work. You coming down this way?
Hey, Mommy.
Uh-huh.
Guess what?
What?
Watch this.
Whoa.
But I'm not sliding down.
No. Can you stand up?
Alright, I'm trying.
Or can you roll over on your back and make a snow angel?
No. Too bad.
Okay.
Too bad I don't have a snow angel to make. Because there's too much snow. Never mind.
Never mind.
I made some big footprint. Hey. What's that thing doing? What are...
That's so the snowplow knows where our driveway is when there's so much snow. Adam, can you wave to the camera and say hi, everybody?
Hi,
Blow a kiss?
That's why I have some gloves on.
Okay.